Buffalo chicken wing dip.
Chicken wing dip, Brennan.
Buffalo chicken wing dip.
Brennan, we're in Buffalo.
Exactly.
It's chicken wing dip.
Buffalo chicken wing dip.
No, you don't need the buffalo part.
Why?
Because buffalo means hot, and in buffalo, it's hot, medium, mild.
So it's hot chicken dip?
It's just chicken wing dip.
Matt chopped an onion. We gathered all of our spices.
Did I spill them?
No, but I just touched you.
Hi, I'm Matt Taboni.
And I'm Brennan Gorman.
And this is
RHA EATS.
On today's episode, we're making loaded nachos, buffalo chicken wing dip, and turkey chili.
Alright, let's get to it. So for our loaded nachos, we're gonna make a bit of guacamole. So I just mashed up 2 avocados, chopped half of a white onion, and 1 Roma tomato. So I'm gonna put that in with a little bit of lime juice, salt, pepper, garlic, cilantro, and what else? Did I say lime juice, salt, pepper, garlic, cumin. Don't forget the cumin. I say cumin.
Cumin?
Cumin. No, I say cumin.
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 Q? Where's the Q? So we're almost finished with our guac. We have added all the ingredients except lime juice. So here's another tip by Brennan. Take your lime or lemon if you're using that and roll it on the counter. That will let all the juices, I don't know, come out. It makes more of the juice come out. Look at that.
Asking or telling you?
I'm telling you, I'm more like interacting.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah. All right, we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. All right, now it's time to assemble our nachos. So first we're gonna put some of our chips down. Should be good. We're gonna take our ground beef, onion, and taco seasoning mixture and put it on top. Hi. Oh, mine yours? Okay.
Always.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put that on top. There we go. Matt's gonna top it with some cheese. Maybe get it on the pan this time.
Oh, good one.
All right, so now we're gonna put this in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is melty. All right, we just took our nachos out of the oven. We added our diced tomato and some cilantro. Now we're gonna add a few dollops of our homemade guac. Right onto it. And then a squeeze of lime. At this point, you could add jalapenos and anything else that you'd like to put on. And that's it. Pretty easy and delicious. Let's dig in.
Now we're going to move on to our buffalo chicken wing dip. So we're gonna add the cream cheese, chicken, blue cheese, and french fries hot into the bowl and mix it all together.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have.
Now that we have the ingredients mixed, I'm gonna put them in this pie dish, put some mozzarella cheese on top, and then put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have it.
And there you have it, some delicious chicken wing dip, or as Brennan calls it, buffalo chicken wing dip.
So now we're on to our turkey chili. Matt has chopped half an onion.
I did not think this through.
We've gathered all of our spices, listed here with all of the measurements. Look at that list.
There's only like 5.
Anyways, we've opened our cans of tomato soup and beans, and we have cooked our turkey back here. So now we're going to add all the ingredients to a greased crock, where we cook it on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. Alright, it's been 4 hours on high, or if you're doing it on low, 8 hours. And our chili is finished. Let's take a look. Looks beautiful. Let's grab a bowl. And now we're going to put some shredded cheese on. If you would like, you can put a dollop of sour cream. Whatever you would like. Thank you for joining us for our Game Day Snacks episode of RHA EATS. We started with loaded nachos, we went to buffalo chicken dip, and turkey chili.
Thanks UB Athletics for all of your support. Horns up and go Bulls!